MCQ type question answer on geography. 1. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon River. B. Yangtze River. C. Nile River. D. Mississippi River. Correct answer. C. Nile River. 2. Mount Everest is located in which mountain range? A. Andes. B. Alps. C. Himalayas. D. Rockies. Correct answer. C. Himalayas. 3. Which country has the largest land area? A. Canada. B. China. C. Russia. D. United States. Correct answer. C. Russia. 4. Which desert is the largest in the world by area? A. Arabian. B. Gobi. C. Sahara. D. Antarctic Desert. Correct answer. D. Antarctic Desert. 5. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Brisbane. Correct answer. C. Canberra. 6. Which ocean is the deepest? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Arctic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. Correct answer. D. Pacific Ocean. 7. Which two continents are entirely in the southern hemisphere? A. Australia and South America. B. Africa and Antarctica. C. Australia and Antarctica. D. Asia and Australia. Correct answer. C. Australia and Antarctica. 8. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of which country? A. Brazil. B. South Africa. C. Australia. D. India. Correct answer. C. Australia. 9. Which country is known as the Land of 1,000 Lakes? A. Sweden. B. Finland. C. Canada. D. Norway. Correct answer. B. Finland. 10. What is the smallest country in the world by area? A. Monaco. B. Nauru. C. Vatican City. D. San Marino. Correct answer. C. Vatican City. 11. Which river is the longest in the world? A. Amazon. B. Yangtze. C. Nile. D. Mississippi. Correct answer. C. Nile. 12. The Amazon River flows through which of the following countries? A. Argentina. B. Brazil. C. Colombia. D. Both B and C. Correct answer. D. Both B and C. 13. Which river is considered the most sacred in India? A. Yamuna. B. Brahmaputra. C. Ganges. D. Godavari. Correct answer. C. Ganges. 14. The Mississippi River flows into which body of water? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Gulf of Mexico. D. Great Lakes. Correct answer. C. Gulf of Mexico. 15. Which river passes through the Grand Canyon in the USA? A. Columbia River. B. Missouri River. C. Colorado River. D. Snake River. Correct answer. C. Colorado River. 16. The Danube River flows through how many countries? A. 4. B. 6. C. 10. D. 12. Correct answer. C. 10. 17. What is the longest river in Europe? A. Danube. B. Volga. C. Rhine. D. Elbe. Correct answer. B. Volga. 18. Which river forms part of the border between the USA and Mexico? A. Missouri River. B. Colorado River. C. Rio Grande. D. Arkansas River. Correct answer. C. Rio Grande. 19. The Yangtze River flows through which country? A. India. B. China. C. Thailand. D. Vietnam. Correct answer. B. China. 20. Which river is known as the Yellow River? A. Mekong. B. Yangtze. C. Huanghe. D. Irrawaddy. Correct answer. C. Huanghe. 21. What is the longest river in Asia? A. Ganges. B. Mekong. C. Yangtze. D. Yellow River. Correct answer. C. Yangtze. 22. Which river is known as the Sorrow of China? A. Yangtze. B. Huanghe. Yellow River. C. Mekong. D. Amur. Correct answer. B. Huanghe. Yellow River. 23. The Ganges River originates from which part of the Himalayas? A. Mount Everest. B. Gangotri Glacier. C. Annapurna Range. D. Karakoram Range. Correct answer. B. Gangotri Glacier. 24. The Mekong River does not flow through which of the following countries? A. Laos. B. Cambodia. C. Thailand. D. India. Correct answer. D. India. 25. Which of these rivers forms the border between northeastern India and Bangladesh? A. Yamuna. B. Godavari. C. Brahmaputra. D. Sutlej. Correct answer. C. Brahmaputra. 26. The Tigris and Euphrates rivers are located primarily in which modern-day country? A. Iran. B. Iraq. C. Syria. D. Turkey. Correct answer. B. Iraq. 27. Which river flows through the capital cities of both Iraq and Syria? A. Euphrates. B. Tigris. C. Jordan. D. Indus. Correct answer. A. Euphrates. 28. The Indus River originates in which country? A. India. B. China. Tibet. C. Nepal. D. Pakistan. Correct answer. B. China. Tibet. 29. What is the major river that flows through Bangkok, Thailand? A. Irrawaddy. B. Chao Phraya. C. Mekong. D. Salween. Correct answer. B. Chao Phraya. 30. Which river is sacred in Hinduism and flows through India and Bangladesh? A. Krishna. B. Ganges. C. Narmada. D. Kaveri. Correct answer. B. Ganges.